Okay guys, right, this is Welshie. Right, this is my review over the Tecknet mechanical gaming keyboard. Now, as the last video I did, that was just an unboxing. This is going to be a review. Yeah, I'll be working with an actual camera this time. Try and get better shots in. So, let's have a look. Right, as you can see, it's quite actually nice. I mean, the build quality is lovely. It's got a steel construction on it. The keystrokes are lovely. Let me get word pattern up. Word pattern right there. Right, this is me doing just a sentence. It's got Cherry MX Blue. This is the first ever mechanical keyboard I've personally ever owned. It cost me £30 from eBay. It's actually from Tecknet. So they've got a website here in the UK. I've registered this product under the warranty for 2 years. You get a 5-year membership as well. So what I've done is they've given me the opportunity to sign up to do the reviews of the latest products. So by the time this comes out now, hopefully I'm going to put this into editing obviously, but this is just going to be one of those videos where I just show you the keyboard and recommend it. I'd say for a cheap mechanical RGB keyboard, I'd say this is the perfect fit for anyone. But obviously, it's all depends on your opinion of it. Now, me, I like it personally. My last keyboard, obviously, it was kind of rough, to be honest. That one was, because it just kept playing up all the time. So, let's go. I'll do. So yeah, I mean, the keystrokes are lovely. Right, here we go. Right, so pull this by here now. Right, so here we go. Alright. So yeah, the keystrokes were lovely. Me personally, first ever mechanical keyboard, I actually liked it. I'd recommend it for someone who wants to get into mechanical keyboards. Obviously, it's to do with the actual keystrokes. Now, me, when I'm typing or playing a game, I love the keystroke because that click sound I think is beautiful. It's a little bit on the heavy side. Could be because of weight, perhaps. I don't know. I've never had one, so you know, your mileage may vary, but I'd say a 4 out of 5, yeah, rating. For build quality, I'd say 7 out of 10. The actual click range, I'd say that's about a 7 out of 10. The RGB, about a 5 out of 5, because there's only like 3 modes. One, it just goes meow, zoom. Basically like Night Rider used to go meow, 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 that shit. But yeah, obviously, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you click that button below. If you like it, dislike it, I will put the link for this in the description on eBay for £30 in the United Kingdom. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Welshie out.